Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Hi, my name is Mahak J. Porwal and I am going to share here some creative ideas of drawings, paintings and all other creative stuffs from which you can get inspired and bring your creativity out to the world. So guys, if you want to get more such videos then do subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can use knead erasers in your drawings and sketchings, where you can use it, how you can use it, all that stuff I will share it with you. So here I have Faber-Castell knead erasers. It is about 20 to 25 rupees around. You can easily get it on the stationery shops. There are many brands who are producing these knead erasers, but I don't think there is much change in this quality or something. They all are similar. So here I am using Faber-Castell. You can use any of you want. You can clearly see the texture it has got. It has got a gummy texture. So basically what you have to do is you have to knead it before using it. You have to knead it properly with your hands. In this video I will show you how you can use it, where you can use it and how it will affect to your drawings and sketchings. What is the main purpose of knead erasers? And I will also demonstrate how it works with different mediums like graphite and charcoal. After kneading it properly, let's test it on the sketch that I have here. So guys, this is a sketch and now let's test erasers on some sketchings. So you can see I am able to erase the shading, but you can still see clearly that what shading I have done before. So if you want to erase something very sharply, you won't be able to do that with these erasers. But also if you have noticed the shadings that I have done around the object as its shadow, that is erased very nicely. Now let me show you how it works with the charcoals. So here I have medium grade charcoal pencil. First of all, I am doing light shading with the charcoal. I will also show normal eraser versus knead erasers so that you get a complete idea how it works. So let's go first with the knead erasers. So now you can see here knead erasers had erased but not completely. So for charcoals also it is the same. It does not remove all the shadings. You can still see a layer of shading here. And now let's work with our regular eraser. Normal eraser is 1% lighter than the knead erasers. Now let me show you how it works when I darkly shade with the charcoals. As you can see, it is similar to the lighter one, and regular eraser and knead erasers both work similar in dark shading with the charcoal pencils. Now let's see how it works with the graphite pencils. So here also I will show both regular eraser versus knead erasers. And also I will show you both the light shadings and the darker shadings with the graphite pencils so that you get a clear idea how it works. So on light shadings it works about 80%. That means you can erase about 80% of the graphite on the paper. while normal eraser is also similar to that only. On the dark shading, it works about 50% and the normal eraser works about 65%. Now let's see if you can use it to give fine highlights for hairs or something like that. So according to me, yes, you give highlights using it. It works perfectly for it. Of course, it won't be able to compete with the electric erasers or mono erasers available in the market, but yes, it works good at its place. So guys, it is perfectly for erasing light shadings. And if you end up with the hand patches on the paper while shading or something like that, then it is perfect to erase that kind of dirt from your paper to make your sketch look more perfect. Now I have done this intentionally to show you what I am talking about. And also to give various highlights, like in this triangle I wanted to give an effect of light splashing on it, so it works great for that even. So at the end I would say that yes, it is worth buying as it is not even costly and can be used repeatedly, and also there is no dust, nothing like eraser is completed or eraser has got shortened. You can mold it in the shape you want. If you want it to be sharp or blunt or flat, you can do that very easily. So yes guys, this is worth buying. I hope you liked the video and was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.